Well, hey guys and gals, Jess here at LJM Farms. Welcome to the channel. So for this video, I want to save you a little time and frustration when it comes to doing some oil changes on your Mule Pro. So if you made it this far, or you made it to this video, odds are you're either doing some research on the Mule or you've already bought it and you want to change your own oil. Changing the oil on these things isn't that difficult. It's easy. However, the filter is one area where it may cause you a little bit of difficulty and frustration. So let me show you something to help save you some time, ease up some of that frustration. Let's go check it out. Alright, so first thing you're going to notice is kind of how tucked away this thing is in there. And it seemed like the first time, the first oil change, that thing was really tight. So it's hard to get any type of strap wrench on it. But I will show you something that will help. Alright guys, I got a few things here I want to run through with you real quick. This is an adjustable type filter wrench. You can see it's Hyper Tough from Walmart. Based off the measurements on this, it should work, and it does adjust enough to grab a hold of the filter. But I'm not crazy about the amount of contact that it has on these arms. It's just right on the edge of that filter, which would work fine for taking it off, but as far as putting the filter back on, I don't think that would work so good. Which most time you're just going to be mostly hand tight anyhow. I think the best option for taking this off and putting this filter back on, especially if you want to get it torqued back to the right specs, it's going to be a cap wrench. This one came out of the Maddox kit from Harbor Freight. I think it's 64 bucks for the whole kit, which I have a lot of other stuff I change oil on. So I already had this. Luckily there was a filter in there. Show you the filter. Here is the number in case you want to do like a cross reference. And this came in the kit. I just go with the service kit, the oil change kit from Kawasaki. It's got everything in it, the right amount of oil, the filter. I even send you a pair of gloves, which I already have, no big deal there. A new washer for your drain plug, and then just a little paper filter, one time use type of deal. And then, like I said, the right amount of oil. So yeah, like I said, cap wrench, a lot better fit than the adjustable wrench. Now I'll tell you the size on this. It's a 68 millimeter, 14 sided. Now I did find some of these on Amazon, so I'll post a link to that down in the description, so you can check that out. Full disclosure, it is an affiliate link, but it's not going to cost you any more than what it normally would. So like I said, 68 millimeter. You can use the link below or find it yourself. Either way, but that is the right size for the oil filter for your Kawasaki Mule Pro. So yeah, just wanted to keep that quick, give you that bit of info. This will save you a lot of frustration and a lot of time, and make this oil change even that much more easier. Alright guys, like I said, just wanted to give you a little bit of that information to save you some frustration on taking that oil filter off. I'm not doing an oil change in this video because I want to keep it short, but I will be doing an oil change in an upcoming video. I'm going to do a complete 100-hour service on the Mule. I'm going to get on the maintenance chart in the manual and just go down the line for the 100-hour maintenance and just do a video on it. So if that sounds good to you, consider subscribing so you don't miss it. If you enjoyed this video at all, if you think it helped you out, give us a big thumbs up. Again, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.